Hello students, welcome to exercise 3.2 problem 4. Here our question is which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, we need to obtain the solutions graphically. So we are given four questions here. First we will see which of them are consistent or inconsistent and then we will plot them. So let us move on to our first question. So our first question is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So value of a1 is 1 as the coefficient of here x is 1. The value of a2 is 2. This is the a2. The value of b1 is 1, which is the coefficient of y, which is 1. The value of b2 is 2 and value of c1 is minus 5 because this will become x plus y minus 5 equals to 0. The value of c2 is minus 10 because this will become 2x plus 2y minus 10 equals to 0. Now a1 by a2 is 1 divided by 2. Similarly b1 by b2 is b1 is 1, b2 is 2, so b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is minus 5 by minus 10. This minus can cancel out and this 5 times 1 gives us 5 and 5 times 2 gives us 10. So the ratio becomes 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. It is 1 by 2. Now we will plot the equations afterwards. Let us move on to our second question. Our second question is x minus y equals to 8 and 3x minus 3y equals to 16. So the value of a1 is, the coefficient of x here is 1. The value of a2 is 3. The value of b1 is minus 1 as the coefficient of y here is minus 1. The coefficient of b2 here is minus 3. So b2 is minus 3. The value of c1 is minus 8 because x minus y minus 8 equals to 0. So c1 is minus 8. Similarly c2 is minus 16. So a1 by a2 is 1 over 3. So it is 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is minus 1 by minus 3. This minus will cancel out and it becomes 1 by 3. Now this c1 by c2 is minus 8 over minus 16. This minus will cut out. Now 8 times 1 gives us 8 and 8 times 2 gives us 16. So it is 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is 1 by 3. But c1 by c2 is 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but it is not equals to c1 by c2 as it is inconsistent. Now let us move on to our third question. Our third question here is 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So a1 is 2, a2 is 4, b1 is 1, coefficient of y is 1, b2 is minus 2, c1 is minus 6, which is this, c2 is minus 4. So a1 by a2 is 2 divided by 4. 2 times 1 gives us 2, 2 times 2 gives us 4. So the reduced form is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is 1 by minus 2. So it is minus half. Now a1 by a2 is half and b1 by b2 is minus half. So we don't need to check c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Hence those equations are consistent. So we need to plot this. So which we will plot after our fourth question. Now our fourth question here is 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0 and 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So here our a1 is 2, a2 is 4, the coefficient of second equation, the coefficient of x of second equation. b1 is minus 2, b2 is minus 4. c1 is minus 2 and c2 is minus 5. So a1 by a2 is 2 by 4. 2 times 1 gives us 2, 2 times 2 gives us 4. So it is 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 4. This minus will cancel out and so it is 2 by 4. Now 2 times 1 gives us 2, 2 times 2 gives us 4. So it is 1 by 2. Now c1 by c2 is minus 2 over minus 5. This minus can get cancelled, so it is 2 by 5. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is half. But it is not equal to c1 by c2. So those are inconsistent. So our consistents are question 1 and 3. Now we will plot the questions 1 and 3. So let us do our first question. Our first question is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So we will write here x and y equals to 5 minus x. Now we will take the values of x and correspondingly we will get the values of y. So let us take x equals to 2. So y will be 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now x equals to 1, y gives us 5 minus 1 as 4. Now we have got 2 points here. Now for our second equation, 2x plus 2y equals to 10. We will take x and y value will be 10 minus 2x divided by 2 will be our y. Now if x is equals to 0, y value is 5. It is 10 minus 2 multiplied by 0, which is 10. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. Now if x is 1, it is 10 minus 2 divided by 2, which is 8 over 2, which is nothing but 4. So we have got 2 points for this equation also. So here we have the points 2, 3, 1, 4. So we'll plot the points first 2, 3 and 1, 4. So we have here x axis, here it is y axis. So here our 1 unit is equals to 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 we have labeled here, and in y axis we have labeled up to 9. Now for x is equals to 2, y is 3. So x is equals to 2, y is 3. So this is our first point. Now x is equals to 1, y is 4. So x is equals to 1, y is 4. So this is our second point for the equation x plus y equals to 5. So this will be the first line. Now our second line is for x is equals to 0, y is 5. So for x is 0, y is 5. So this is our first point. The second point is 1 and 4. So x equal to 1, y is 4, which is same point as the first line. So now when you draw this line, it will be a single line, and both of them will have infinitely many solutions, as both of the lines are coincident. Now let us look at our third question. Our equation here is 2x plus y equals to 6 and 4x minus 2y equals to 4. So for the first equation, we will take x and the value of y will be 6 minus 2x. So for x is equals to 1, the value will be 6 minus 2 multiplied by 1, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4. So y value is 4. Now if x is equals to 2, y value will be 6 minus 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. 6 minus 4 gives us 2. So the points are 1, 4 and 2, 2. Now our second equation is 4x minus 2y equals to 4. So we will take a value of x and the value of y will be 4x minus 4 divided by 2 will be equals to our y. So this is y. Now if we take x is equals to 1, it is 4 minus 4 and the value of y is 0. Now if we take x is equals to 0, the value will be minus 4 over 2, which is minus 2. So now we have the points and we will plot the lines, and wherever the lines will intersect, we will get the solution. So here we are on our graph paper. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So our first points are 1, 4 and 2, 2. So for x is equals to 1, value of y is 4. So this is our first point. Now for x is equals to 2, y is 2. So this is our second point. So we plot this line. So this is our first line. This is the line 2x plus y equals to 6, which is this line. Now our second points are 1, 0 and 0 minus 2. So for x equals to 1, y is 0. So this is our first point. Now x equals to 0, y is minus 2. So this is our second point, and so you draw the line connecting these 2 points. So this white one is our line 4x minus 2y equals to 4. Now both of them intersect at this point. So this is our answer. The value of this is 2 comma 2. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 2. They intersect at the point 2 comma 2 and they have only one solution. The solution is x equals to 2 and y equals to 2. So this is all in this video. Thank you for watching.